Okay, next we have transitive access. Again, something that's hard to track down sometimes because just the nature of how transitivity works, transitive access is access granted by virtue of being granted access to something else. All right, and that something else has access. Right, and that sounds a little complicated, but just bear with me for 1 second. So if A trusts B and B trusts C, then A trusts C. Right, that transitive process. Right, so if A doesn't necessarily have a trust relationship with C, but A trusts B and B trusts C, so A trusts C. Right? So if we use that same type of thing here graphically, okay, we have host A, B, and C. Well, host A trusts B, host B trusts C, so by nature of transitivity, host A is going to trust host C as well. Now, there's nothing inherently wrong with that. It just makes it difficult to track permissions, right? So it's something you have to be aware of when you start talking about file shares and so forth, applications. Maybe a user doesn't necessarily have access to a file share, but if the application that they launch has access to that file share, they may have access transitively to that file share. So just some concepts to keep aware of when you're designing your security protocols and your security framework for your organization.